Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually get back some missing channels on your Dstv Explora Decoder. But you need to make sure that these missing channels are part of your current package. Alright, so you got to pick up your remote and then you press on the Dstv logo, that's the blue button, and it's going to take you to menu. And here you look for settings. Use the arrow left and right keys to look for settings. So when you find settings, you come down to the satellite settings, that's the last option, and you press OK on it, and you select the home network, that's the first option beside it. Okay, and when you come here, all you got to do is to put it on the scan, or to actually rescan your decoder to get all the channels available on it, and those missing channels will probably have to appear on your channel list, and if it's part of your package, you're gonna get it working. Alright, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing.